In this video, we're going to look at one of the most fundamental methods in the JavaScript DOM API. It's the document.getElementById method. Understanding it can be a key to manipulating HTML elements with JavaScript. This method allows you to select and manipulate HTML elements with a specific ID attribute. It's a part of the Document Object Model, or DOM, which is a programming interface for web documents. We're going to use it to change and highlight the text for this paragraph when the button is clicked. The syntax for it is simple. You provide a string that represents the ID of the HTML element you want to select. In this case, the ID is my paragraph. The method returns the element as an object. For this example, now that we have the object, we'll change the text and the background color. This function is called when the button is pressed. Let's try it out. And there you have it. The text is changed and the background has been highlighted. The document.getElementById method is incredibly useful for creating interactive web pages. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and leave a comment.